Pablo can't tell me nothing of that. Out of my penny take the van and go to. Come over, man.
Yeah, man, me here say him, man.
Out of my penny, man.
Do it. Yeah, see me there.
You man, I see you, man. You man, I tell you, I see you. You know I don't talk about that.
Hello. Yes,
No, dog, me not tell you.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Boy, me I tell you, dog, I know what farmers have to worry about come bite up and eat and kill them goat no more. The farmer them have to worry about people are con thief them goat. You know much videos we see on social media where people go thief goat, farmers come out a ball and say yo then wake up and then goat gone. John was there. You see that video that I show you no? Boy, I tell you. People, right now, Johnny Thermos there. And the man I say, yo, poor people fed up. Poor people fed up at everything we are going right now, especially in Jamaica, where the government now look out for the poorer class of people. Thermos there and the man I say, yo, what uno dead there for? If it's not for defend the poor people. See? The man I say, yo, poor people need to start rise up right now. Look on where them going with in the states. See? Them if in a power now go on right, them kick him out. And that is what Thermos I say right there so. So I want to jump in and listen.
Poor people fed up. We know poor people fed up, but here we go on. Poor people fed up, but poor people not do nothing for hold them head up. Poor people not do nothing for hold them head up. See it? Cause watch this. The leader. Make me play about that part here again. The leader, brother. The leader. Alright. The leader impose a thing named no movements there. The leader, you know. The leader of the flock. Impose a thing named no movements there. And the people ever need movements every day. You understand? And at the same time, when the leader impose, the leader and him friend them and him gang, and at the same time them a move up and down and a key party and a let in people from overseas. But here what the problem is, that's not the problem. That is not the problem. Here what the problem is the people are the problem. People are the problem. Because here I go on. You see me is like a prophet in a youth. Remember me telling you, Remember I say, and me sing the song named Cry Now. Me, Juna Reed, and Dad Mafia say Cry Now. See it? Okay, we sing Cry Now. Bounty Killer come and say poor people fed up. Me come back come sing What's Wrong with the World. Cause you see what's wrong with the world. And me come and say what's wrong with the world, you know. The world is in a mess. When it's gonna rest. The world is in a mess. Europe and the rest. Round and about, I see the world in a trouble. Coronavirus deaths rising up on the double. The health services, puzzle. Leaders of the world, puzzle. Yeah. And me come back and sing them working for Satan. Cause me see through the thing and me see who work for Satan. You understand? Yeah. And right now the devil team is active in the youth. The devil team is active. Enough of them when you see out there, they pan Satan team. Whether them consciously know it or subconsciously know it, but them are they're working for Satan. They are working for Satan. All of them you see out there. You understand? Of course. So you feel like the Prime Minister now work for Satan. Of course, that's Satan them I work for. Yeah. So we come back come sing them working for Satan. And then we come back come sing War Zone. Earth would be so nice. It would be so nice just to see mankind living in a paradise. See? So after me sing all those songs, I remember saying he's an underground artist, you know. See, coming and something to produce a boy tongue. So I do my thing independently. You understood? Yeah. Because I come to teach the people. I mean, I come sing when me hear them sing. No. I come to teach the people them. Even if it take 100 years. I saw just if we move, I saw we move. You see? So here we know. The people them won't rebel. The people them, they won't rebel. They won't protest. Right now, the whole Jamaica should be calling for the Prime Minister's resignation. The entire Jamaica should be out dead now, right now, before the next no movements day come. Tomorrow Friday, brother. See? They should be out there as day break. From Kingston to Montego be the whole of sentence, the whole Jamaica for out there with placard, protest and call for the Prime Minister to resign. Just like when friend resigned, him to resign too. Because obviously he's not a good leader, so they're not listening to him. They're not obeying him. So him to resign too. Because you impose a no movements there upon the country. And at the same time, you move up and down, and keep party, you gilat, and you let in parasites for the people. When you know so lock down the country because you try to keep out parasites, you let in parasites. It don't make no sense. It don't make one bit of sense. So the Prime Minister need to resign. People, me said, na my last chat to me telling you say, you if you call another election. Call another election. You have the powers, people. You have the powers to put up there and remove. Had or remove. You know the powers to had or remove. Call for resignation from the PM. Yeah. Call for resignation from the PM. People. Call for the PM to resign. Step down. You understand? Step down. That's enough you deal with. You understand? I obtain them and Buju Bantan them and Sprague Benz them and Sizzler them and all the other vices them. We advise for the people them and advise out for the people. And the people them now advise out for themselves. You don't have to advise out for yourself, brother. You know alone can change the bad weather, you know. You have to advise out, brother. Tell him man to move. Come down. Not doing a good job. Come down, brother. Come down. You can't take him down now. You put him up there now. Take him down, brother. Take him down. Take him down. You understand? You don't need to take the brother down. Make him come off of the podium. Come off of the podium. Bro God, come off of the podium. Your job, underperformance. You're not performing for the people. You're not performing for the Jamaican people. We don't know who we are performing for. We are child pleased, but the Jamaican people are displeased. Step aside like Barry Saban say, brother. Step aside like Barry Saban say. Make somebody else come take over. Your overs. Tell you no, brother. I told you no. The people have to do it. The people, the vices alone can't do it, you know. You need the action. The vices alone. And there's a lot of vices at the moment. A lot of people are angry, upset, fed up. You understood? Busy Signal so fed up. Him have to remix Bounty Killer fed up. All of we fed up. No matter where we reside, we are fed up. Fed up. And it's only poorer class of people that dead up. Time now for people them lift them head up. Yeah, and show the Prime Minister over bed one spread up. Remove him. Remove him. When me only say remove him. Remove him. That's enough you are saying. Remove him. Remove him. If we not remove him, brother. That's enough you are saying. Tell your brother to resign. Step down. We had enough. We had enough, brother. You never see we going over other parts of the world where the leader at the head of the street now move wood, then take him down and remove him. You never see. Only now see what going on, you now watch international news. Only now watch international news. Only now see what going on. That's enough to do at Jamaica. These people that about them a die hard, the labor rights.
Alright then, me unstoppable family. So the man say why my face want to talk to me down in the comment section and tell me what to think about that. Now, our next general who no always hear talk have theme concerns where more voice as well. The man talk about JPS and several other things. And I'm going to make you check that out as well.
I talk about the JPS yesterday and about 3 persons sent come to me yesterday and I beg money to pay a light bill. And when they sent to me yesterday, they never even realized that me was even talking about the JPS thing. And it's just so bad. If you see how we over here now, you know. And we over abroad, if you try to sort out people light bill in Jamaica, you know. So we the cost. And we have to send money for help out family and friends because they can't manage. People stop work because of the lockdown. People can't go to work, people not getting no pay. And this government here, they don't really actually do nothing for the people, you know. They may do nothing for the people, them. All them do, them just lock them down. Lock them down in that house and tell them say no movements and them can't move and them can't go out, no work, no nothing at all they can't do. And yes, still, JPS have put up their light, Water Commission want their money. Internet people them want their money and the phone people them want their money and everybody want their money and everybody want their money, right? Now, we do have lockdown over here now. I mean, we're hoping now and we're free now, but we have lockdown even before, you know, right? And we have lockdown 2 or 3 times already. We never have no movements there because the government now going to really lock up people up in the house because some people over here living in some 10-story, 20-story, 100 floor. Way up in the sky. You can't have people up there lock up there and can't go to the park and can't go walk them dog and can't go to the park and can't go nowhere at all. At the end of the day, the government give us opportunity where we can go have a walk, we can go to the park and the bus still run. Even the bus company, the government put in X amount of percentage to the bus so people can go on the bus for free. The government make sure so the people who are pay them rent, they make sure so them have a talk with the landlord to go easy upon them till the X time and people who are pay their mortgage. People who have their business place, who pay the rent for their business place, the government put something in place for them, you know. So they make sure so everybody then put something in place for people. They may just lock down the country like that, you know. They may just people stop from work, but people still get benefit. But what the Jamaican government actually do for the people? That's what I like to know. What the Jamaican government actually do for the people? Because I don't know what they do for the people. They don't do nothing at all. Absolutely nothing they not done. Them just lock down the country and call it no movements there. But yes, still, them a move. We see a policeman and an MP a cuss out the policeman and tell him all type of words. And then he turn around and call minister, security minister, and then later on the policeman get transferred to somewhere else. That's how we do things. Politicians go all about and say them exempt and all that type of thing. People in this country, whatever time they get themselves in any time they break in anything at all, anytime they violate the rules, them have to go the next day. That's how politics work over here. And that's the whole reason why me will take up my vote and vote for anybody over here. I'm gonna die at it. Whosoever me think to say qualify enough and treat the people good and do good things, then me will vote for them. Me don't have a special person to vote for. But Jamaican has special people to vote for, and that's when I need to stop. Now, when you stop the people them from move about, right? Not to be church, hospital, people forget their medication. Me a woman come out and talk yesterday, say our father almost had died. They couldn't go to the pharmacy. No, all them type of thing there is just definitely wrong. It's bad. We could go to the pharmacy, you know, we could get the medication. You see, anything if you do with food and medication, it have to open. People who are working in a supermarket, them have to go to work. People who are working in a factory and bakery and all them type of places, them have to go to work. The only thing the government don't want is crowd. People will bungle up. If you have work somewhere, you have to go somewhere, you put on your mask and you do so and you obey the rules. So people still have to move about. People still have to move about. This man locked down the country and then he waited in the middle of the week, then he walked it back and then he just like when they let out all the animals them out of pen and everybody just run out and just grab them for grab. Now you lock up the people can't go to work for go pay them light bill. The JPS man, they want for their money, you know. People, they home know them have burn more energy. Water use, lighter use, and everybody want for them. Usually put something in place that the JPS could just hold on and give them some percent, have some talk with them, do something so it could be alright for people. So people don't really feel fussy themselves for what is like a light bill and water rate and all them type of thing and them type of thing. All people need should not worry about are some food. But you go around and get some people look at rice and flour and sugar and coconut oil and some local type of thing. All them type of things are bullshit. People have them bills to pay. People want medication. You should put something in place for the people, but you actually don't do nothing at all for the people them more than us. So you're locked down. You're locking down. No movements there. And then they got the security in the street now. I advantage people. Because them glad for that type of opportunity. That's where they make for their money now. No movements there. Boy, where you up on the road. Boy, where you this. Boy, where you come from. Boy, where you go. And all them type of bad behavior there. Because of this COVID type of thing and this lockdown type of thing. You know, put on in place of the people them, but you lock them down. And you let them down and your boys them can out there having a champagne party. And your people can out there walking about. See, as me tell you yesterday, say, your boy the pan seaside say, I'm a tired man. And all you can't give account. What's the reason? Where the man there? What caused him for there? What caused him for there on the beach? Where am I go? Where am I come from? No question ask. Nobody can question none. Nobody can question none, you know. Nobody can question none. If anybody look at them have too much sense and go down and too much thing, innocent go kill them later on and put the blame on criminal. Criminal get the blame. Now one more thing again, Mr. Prime Minister and Mr. Minister of Security and Mr. Commissioner. Me saw one video go around with some police woman a dance, some type of whatever type of dance they want to call it, gangster dance or whatever type of dance. But I wonder if you know what is stress. When people they work every day and them come and work for work almost hours a day, hard working people. Now them police officers, them out there now, I put them life on the line for the public and for the country and them have a little dance just to life themselves. Because I can't say what really wrong with that. Me can't see what really wrong with that, but people go talk about say, oh, them have a uniform, they must listen. What is that? What is all about having a uniform? What the uniform do? What's the problem? Can the uniform hurt anybody? If you are socialized, if the people is together, they are work colleagues, and them they together and them do a little dance, as a little dance will go on, what's the problem with that? What's really wrong with that? You go to prison, you get disciplined, you go lose a job, you go do all type of thing because you dance to a song and then call gangster song. What happened to few no dub plate when you use a win election? What happened to few no dub plate? When never dance election day. So is it special place and special time for dance? If you are dancing easy, have a little stress off of you and clear your mind and have a little vibes, have a little vibes with your colleagues, them know if you go to the street or whatever. You still have to show criminals, so watch out now. We there, you know we can dance to the song, but nobody play with it because when we're ready, we are come for you. You stop nothing. But you know so proud and so bossy slave, you know so many know if you call it no. I don't just know if you style it no. You don't want nobody if you have no opportunity, nothing at all. The next thing I want to talk about, no, you can't feed the people them. And we over abroad now could have sent down local food sometime. You could have make things easier for the people them on the wharf. So watch now when the family abroad can send whoever can send local food for the people them. We could have packed 2, 3, 4 barrels and send down. And make it easier for them go through. For people, so at least if we send a barrel for Mary Jane can maybe give to her neighbor 1 tin of corned beef out of it, 1 pack of soap and 1 tin of milk, and people can get something to eat. And people can get food. Because we could have sent them food. But to make it so hard at the wharf to clear things. No, we could have over here look after family and friends and send things back in the island for somebody can survive, you know. Because Mr. Prime Minister, you can't manage, you know, and we with their brothers send with things down for help out the family and our friend, you know, and we are help out the country, and I think, are you? I know you know. That's what I tell you yesterday, say, go back to the Western Union, them and them money outlet place, go look on the people, them have full money come from abroad. If then we should make 1 cut off now, what happened to Jamaica? What happened to the people? If everything should just make 1 cut off, like when you turn off the water from the pipe, what would have happened? And we look after our people, our friends, our family, and everybody. I know you. Because you look at 10,000 that what you give them, you take it back from them already. That can't go to the supermarket, that can't do nothing. You don't make no preparation for the people, them. That thing can have a look at things more easier. If you say, all right, then at least the government give the JPA some money and clear the tax or whatever and make it easier, have a talk with them. Or, no, you don't do that. Your uncle said they must stay home. Tan your yard. Uno fit tan on your yard. And that's all matters. Tan on your yard. You no matter how they want to eat, you no matter how they want to sleep, you don't worry about nothing at all because your plate is already full. And your colleague, you say, now dance and have a champagne party, look for Uno. Uno quite alright, you know. Look for the group of Uno we are enjoying yourself and I say, Uno alright, Uno not feel the pinch. But people out there feel the pinch. And people like Uno make so much crime upon the island, you know. And Uno produce crime, you know. Because Uno make things so hard for people. If you come at the airport and you have 2 pack of pencil, if you can't come for some people who go back to school, Uno want to take it from them.
We reached the end of the video. Talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what is your take on everything that was said in this video right here. I will be looking out for your comment. Seeing, as long as it makes sense, then I will definitely give a response. Alright? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.